If you're looking to take your woodworking accuracy to the next level, investing in a quality router table can make a massive difference. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best router tables available in this year. First up is the Bosch RA1181 Benchtop router table, a standout favorite among both professionals and serious hobbyists. It features a large aluminum work surface that stays flat and stable during routing, which is critical for precision work. One of its strongest points is compatibility. It fits a wide range of routers thanks to its universal mounting plate. The adjustable fence is high quality and provides strong support for taller workpieces, while the featherboards, dual outlet power switch, and dust collection port make it a well-rounded and highly usable table. Users consistently praise this model for being sturdy, easy to set up, and built for long-term reliability. If you're after a professional feel without needing a full cabinet-style table, the RA1181 delivers. Next is the Bosch RA1141 portable router table, a more compact and foldable version that's perfect for on-the-go woodworkers. It comes pre-assembled with folding legs, which make it incredibly easy to store and transport. What makes this table particularly attractive is the integrated router mount and bit storage, giving it a functional edge in compact shops or mobile work scenarios. While it may not offer the same level of stability as the RA1181, it holds its own in terms of convenience and quick deployment. This table is great for users who don't have a permanent workshop space or need something to take to job sites. It's simple, efficient, and ready to use right out of the box. Third on the list is the Skil router table and fixed base kit, a budget-friendly option that combines both a router and a table in one convenient package. This all-in-one kit is excellent for beginners who are just starting out in woodworking and want an easy entry point. The table includes a starter fence, featherboards, router clamps, and a workpiece guard, while the included fixed base router offers decent power for light to medium tasks. What sets this kit apart is the price-to-value ratio. It won't match professional-grade systems in performance or durability, but for casual use or basic cabinetry work, it's more than enough. It gives users everything they need to get started without the hassle of buying components separately. Coming in fourth is the POWERTEC Compact Trim Router Table, a space-saving solution that's ideal for small workshops or homeowners who want professional results without taking up too much room. This table is specifically designed for use with trim routers, which are lighter and more compact than full-size models. It features a smooth MDF tabletop, a built-in dust collection port, and easy mount clamps that make switching between handheld and table-mounted routing quick and seamless. Users like the POWERTEC for its strong build quality and such a small form factor. It's an excellent secondary router station or a primary choice for trim and detail work. Its compact size makes it a great pick for mobile workstations or apartments with limited space. Last but not least is the universal Benchtop router table, known for its solid metal construction and universal compatibility with most major router brands. It includes a wide aluminum top, adjustable fence, and accessory tracks for featherboards and guards. While it might require a bit more setup or customization, especially with router-based mounting, it rewards users with a highly stable and versatile workspace once configured. This table appeals to intermediate to advanced users who want a solid platform but prefer to mix and match their own router or accessories. If you're comfortable with light modifications and want a heavy-duty base, this one gives you great flexibility at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews and tool tips to upgrade your woodworking game.